What is NISP in archaeological faunal analysis? Imagine uncovering a pile of animal bones at an ancient site and trying to figure out which animals people ate most often. That's where NISP comes into play. NISP stands for Number of Identified Specimens, and it's a key way archaeologists understand animal remains. When researchers find bones, teeth, or shells, they count each one that can be identified to a specific species, genus, or family. This count helps us see which animals were most common in the past. For example, if there are 200 bones identified as deer and 50 as rabbits, the NISP would be 250. It's a simple way to measure how abundant each species was in the archaeological record. Sometimes people confuse NISP with the number of species present, but it's actually the total count of all identified remains. So, if you find 100 bones of deer and 50 of rabbits, the NISP is 150, regardless of how many species there are. Archaeologists often use NISP alongside other tools like MNI, which stands for Minimum Number of Elements, and MNI, or Minimum Number of Individuals. NISP gives a quick look at how many bones of each species are there, while MNI and MNI help estimate how many bones or animals were involved. This helps reconstruct past diets and environments. For example, if NISP shows lots of fish bones, it suggests fishing was important. If large herbivore bones dominate, it might mean hunting large animals was common. NISP is also useful for understanding how people gathered food and what animals lived in the area. Counting bones and teeth helps archaeologists piece together ancient ecosystems and human behaviors. In lab analysis, specialists carefully identify each bone to ensure accurate counts. This process involves examining the shape, size, and features of each specimen. Once counted, the data can be analyzed statistically to reveal patterns. Overall, NISP is a straightforward but powerful tool that helps us interpret the stories behind animal remains. It provides a clear picture of what animals were around and how humans interacted with their environment long ago.